In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media icons to the header of your Shopify store. This can enhance the looks of your online shop and connect with your customers through your social platforms effortlessly. Let's dive into two main approaches you can take to achieve this, each suited for different preferences and skill levels. First, we have the simpler option, using an app or widget. This method is ideal if you prefer not to deal with coding, or if you're just starting out and want a straightforward way to spruce up your store. In the Shopify App Store, you can find several apps that make it easy to add social icons to your header. For instance, Icons, Social Icons. Plus allows you to place social media icons in various locations, such as the header or footer, and even lets you customize their style without touching a single line of code. Alternatively, Elfsight Social Media Icons provides a widget that you can integrate, offering similar customization flexibility and allowing you to place it anywhere you fancy, including the header. There are other options too, like Socio Icon or Social Bar, which cater to different needs and designs. These tools are particularly handy if you're not comfortable with coding but still want an attractive and functional store header. Now, for those of you who might be a bit more adventurous or seeking more flexibility, the second option is to edit your theme code. This requires a bit more technical know-how, but gives you the freedom to tailor everything precisely to your liking. Here, we'll focus on Shopify's Dawn theme as an example. Before proceeding, it's crucial to back up your theme, ensuring you have a safety net if anything goes awry. First, navigate to the Shopify admin page, select Online Store, and then Themes. Find your current theme, click on Actions, and then select Edit Code. You'll need to access your header section file. This is typically named something like header.liquid or may reside under Sections header.liquid. Once there, decide where exactly you want those icons to appear, whether next to the cart, near the search bar, or close to your navigation links. You'll be adding HTML code for your social icons here. If your theme offers built-in social settings, like social Instagram/link, you can use those for functionality. For example, you might include a block of code like this, a div container that checks if a particular social link is set, and if so, creates an anchor link that uses an SVG icon for the social media platform. To make these icons look great and fit well within your header, some CSS styles are necessary. Adding a simple flexbox styling for alignment and spacing between icons can make a big difference. You might do this in your base CSS file, ensuring the icons are color-coordinated and sized appropriately, perhaps around 20 pixels in both width and height. Don't forget to save your changes and preview your store on both desktop and mobile devices to make sure the icons look as expected. Each approach allows you to extend the functionality and visual appeal of your Shopify store in a way that best suits your skills and business needs.